Good afternoon. My name is Gabriel Coing, and today we will go assignment 9. My company, 3Defy It, Additive Manufacturing Solution, is the best company you can hire in order to fill your manufacturing needs. Today we'll go over 3 companies that want to test our product: BioCare Prosthetics, EcoHome, and Aerotech Dynamics. These companies all have faith that this company is the best in additive manufacturing solutions. Let's dive in. 3Defy is committed to delivering advanced additive manufacturing solutions. As I said before, we tackle complex client needs all the time with precision and innovation. We find the best materials and the best way to manufacture them. So, starting off with our first client, EcoHome Designs. EcoHome Designs wants a project done of a self-watering planter. So the goals are to use an eco-friendly, water-resistant, and durable material, and customizable designs and rapid prototyping. So when it comes to rapid prototyping, the best AM process we can use is fuse deposition modeling. It's the process that has been most in market recently, and it's great for the material of the choice that we're going to choose. We're going to choose PLA plus. PLA is a type of plastic, and this material is eco-friendly and it's water resistant as well. It is also very highly manufacturable, and it's relatively cheap. After processing it, as you can see a diagram here of FDM extrusion, so we basically heat up the filament, the PLA filament, and print it over a base with a nozzle. This will allow us to print it quickly and efficiently, and after processing, we will have surface smoothing and sealing for water resistance and sealing testing. This will allow us to make the best design possible. Heading on to client 2, BioCare Prosthetics. So for BioCare Prosthetics, we're going to use, we need to produce a customized final fusion implant. So the goal is, first of all, it needs to be biocompatible, of course. We need to use it in an actual surgery. And we need to support bone ingrowth. So, of course, this is going to mean that this material needs to support complex geometries for patient-specific designs. The solution that we're seeking right now is going to be selective laser sintering. As you can see from a graph here, it's basically we grab little tiny particles of the material that we're going to choose. In this case, we're going to choose carbon fiber reinforced PEEK. This material is carbon fiber. It is great for biocompatible applications. We'll basically grab a powder of this and we'll heat it up with a laser in order to sinter it together. This will allow us to make for the most perfectly accurate material possible. After the post-processing, we're going to polish it, of course. We're going to sterilize it. And we're going to, this is optional, I included it, but hydroxyapatite coating will help it be used in medical applications. But yeah, sterilization is also a very important process that we need to do in order to use it in a biocompatible scenario. Heading on to our client 3, Aerotech Dynamics. Aerotech Dynamics seeks for high performance heat exchangers, so we need to choose a material that is very, very heat conductive, and also withstand high temperatures, of course. It needs to be lightweight and integral design. The solution, I mean, we've treated Inconel in this class before. I believe Inconel 718 is the best material that we can use. It's lightweight, it's thermally conductive, and it's also greatly used in aerospace applications. The AM process is similar to the AM process that we chose for our client 2, but instead of being its SLS, selective laser sintering, we're going to use a laser sintering system that is specifically designed for metals and for example, Inconel is a nickel superalloy, right? So direct metal laser sintering would make this process perfect. So we're gonna basically do the same process as we did in SLS, but instead, as you can see here, we'll have mirrors and a laser beam. We'll heat up the powder, the Inconel powder, in order to design the structure perfectly in a powder bed, and we can do this. Also, we can design the graphics in a 3D CAD model, which would work perfectly in this sense and perfectly for the other parts described in all these 3 clients' needs, right? After post-processing, of course, we're going to do some heat treatment and surface polishing. Heat treatment, of course, so that the part can withstand the higher heats and protect the part for heat damage. And surface polishing as well. It's aircraft grade, so it needs to be perfectly precise. So these are my 3 clients. And in conclusion, 3DFi delivers a tailored additive manufacturing process. As you can see, my company is great at manufacturing and great at producing what the client actually needs. For the 3 companies, EcoHome, we're gonna concentrate on sustainable and versatile designs, sustainable using PLA and direct printing. Then for BioCare, we need a biocompatible and precise medical implants. SLS will work perfectly in this sense. And for Aerotech, we need high performance aerospace components, which we can definitely do with direct metal laser sintering. Right, so our innovative approaches set new standards in advanced manufacturing. Please contact my company, and as you can see, we'll make everything happen.